All right, Seana, what's moving?
All right, well, we've got four stocks here moving in after hours: Salesforce, Snowflake, Nvidia, and Tesla. So let's run through them very quickly for you. As you can see, Salesforce off just about 5.5% here after hours. We got the earnings earlier this hour. The big headline that the street is looking for, or that the street is focusing on, I should say, is the guidance cut that we saw. The full year revenue forecast being cut, 30.9 to 31 billion. The estimate was for 31.7 to 31.8 billion. You can see the stock off just about 5.5% here. In terms of the top and bottom line numbers for the most recent quarter, they were actually pretty strong from Salesforce, beating on the top and bottom line. The company also announcing a $10 billion share buyback. You can see year to date, it's been a very tough year for Salesforce, off just about 29%, although we are off the 52-week lows here, about $15 above the 52-week low on that stock. Let's flip it over to Snowflake, another mover here after our shares. Moving to the upside, though, up just about 16%. A revenue beat is what the street is focusing on, $497.2 million. The estimate was for $467.9 million. In terms of the revenue guidance, $500 to $505 million. At the top end of the range of what the street was looking for at $501 million. You're seeing the stock move to the upside, still has a ways to go. Year to date, it's off just about 52% over the past year. Stock firmly in the red, off about 43%. You can see closing today at 159. Let's take a look at Nvidia. Again, the stock moving to the downside here, off just about 2% after hours. The guidance miss is what is moving shares lower here. In terms of third quarter revenue guidance of $5.9 billion, the estimate was for $6.9 billion, a miss there by $1 billion. In terms of the top and bottom lines, EPS coming in at 51 cents, revenue in line with that preliminary report that we got a few weeks ago of $6.7 billion. Let's round it out with Tesla, okay? A big day tomorrow here. You can see Tesla shares up just a fraction, up about 0.3 of a percentage point. But the reason why we are showing Tesla for you is because of the moves that we could potentially experience tomorrow. The 3-for-1 stock split is going to go into effect at the start of trading. You can see shares have rallied since that stock split was announced back in June, on June 10th. Shares really taking off there, up just about 28% since then. Tesla shares will start trading on that split adjusted basis tomorrow.